guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you are tuning in for the first time, my name is Shani Ray. I am a holistic wellbeing coach and a global traveler, but today we are going to be talking about creating a vision board. So I asked some of you guys on Instagram whether or not you'd like me to go through making a vision board, and some of you guys gave me a big thumbs up, so I thought I would just show you guys, because recently I made my own and some of you guys actually started to make your own too. So I really wanted to go through why we create a vision board and how we do it. A vision board is essentially a collage or collection of photographs that you ideally would love to have in the future. And what you're going to need to be able to start your vision board is either a piece of cardboard, a corkboard, or a whiteboard to attach your photographs to. You're going to need a magazine to cut pictures out of, or a printer, and you're going to want to have some affirmations and some photographs of things that you would really want out of your life. To give you guys a little bit of an example of what I've put up here, I've got Own Your Life Arbonne right smack bang in the middle, because that's my health and wellness organisation that I work with, and ideally that's what I want. I want to own my own life. I want to be able to work from home, from my laptop. This is the kind of office space that I want to be working at home with. We also have a really big goal to be going to Canada, so I've got a photo of Whistler, which is a snow resort that we want to go to, and the snow dog sledding. So I've got a little picture of the snow dogs and 2 people sledding on there, because that's something I really want to do. I'm also manifesting money, so I want to have a good relationship with money. So I've got a little one of those checks there. I'll leave a link in the bottom below, so if you want to print out your own Universe Cheque, then you can go and do that. And ideal house, home business, and I really want to go to a Tony Robbins live event one day, so I've got that photo there. But that's just to explain a few, and this is what you guys can do too. So if you have a really big goal, like one of these pictures are going to be one of your goals, and that's what you're going to work towards. So if you're into law of attraction and manifestation, then you will be asking the universe for all these things to come into fruition into your life. And then you'll also be taking the actions that align with the things that you want out of life. So that is really how we go about making our vision boards. So up on the wall here is my vision board. My bed is literally just behind you there, and then this is my vision board. I've put it in a place where I can see it every morning and every night, so that I'm reminded about what my goals are, what my intentions are, and what I really want. So that brings me to, why do we create a vision board? Well, a vision board is a little strategy, or a little exercise when it comes to the rule of law of attraction. And I'm not going to go too far into what law of attraction is, but there are lots of videos on YouTube about them. I will also link down below my beautiful spiritual queen. She's all about the law of attraction, and you guys can check that out. But the vision board is primarily stimulation from that. And what it does is it helps to manifest what you really want in your life. So it's also a really great way to be working towards your goals. So if you're not really somebody who's big in manifestation and the law of attraction and things like that, this is also just a really good goals board. So what we do is we get a collection of photographs, words, affirmations, and we want to basically create our life of what we want on this vision board. And it won't always stay the same. It might be something that you want to go and reevaluate every 6 months or so. This one is actually a new one that I've done up for this year, so it's different to my one that I had last year. And this is because some of my intentions have changed a little bit, some of the directions I want to take have changed a little bit, and I want to make sure that I'm aligning with what it is that I really want out of my life. I made this vision board, it gives me a really clear idea of what it really is that I am working towards and what I want to achieve. So this helps me stay on track, and also when you are working towards something, it reminds you of the big picture, because yes, this is like our big end goal board, but we also need to break down each thing so that we can actually achieve those goals, which I will talk about in another video. But for now, just talking about why we create our vision board and the intentions for it. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if it was helpful or gave some value to you. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to go through a little bit more about goal setting, making those short-term, mid-term and long-term goals towards our big picture. Otherwise guys, let's chat next Tuesday. See you then.